Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enter split screen on iPhone 12. Let's go! Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we need to go to App Store and download an app which is about split screen. As you can see, split screen. Because iPhone 12 didn't come from factory, with a split screen function, so we need to download it. I have this one. Let's open it up, and it is like a browser, but with two windows. With two windows, I would say. Yes, you can use YouTube and Instagram. You can't go to home screen because right now, if I go to home screen, I will have an ad. Yes, but as you can see, I can't go to home screen. You can only use like browser things. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Goodbye.